Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's I will tell you about English lesson plan, topic being pronoun. First of all, you will write your name, then class, subject, topic, duration, date and school name. Then comes to your journal objective. First one is to develop the language skills of learners. The second one is to develop the reading, writing, speaking skills of English language. The third one is to enable learner about the basic of English language. The fourth one is acquire basic language skills in order to communication with speakers of English language. Then comes to your main objective. First one is students will be able to state the definition of a pronoun. The second one is students will be able to recognize pronouns and distinguish them from other parts of speech. Third one is students will be able to distinguish between singular, plural, subject and object pronouns. Then comes to your teaching aids, in which you need to write about materials you use while teaching your students like blackboard, chalk, chart paper, duster, etc. Then comes to your previous knowledge testing, in which you will ask some topic related question to students to check how much students are aware with the topic. Question first is, Harry is a good boy. What is Harry in this sentence? A noun. Second question is, what is noun? A noun is the name of the person, place or thing or an idea. Then problematic question is, what is pronoun? Then comes to your announcement of the topic. Pupil teacher will announce the topic saying, students, today we will study about the pronoun and its type. यहाँ पर मैंने सभी टाइप्स के बारे में आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया गया है, आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ ही टाइप के बारे में मैंने बताया है. अगर आपको और टाइप्स के बारे में जानना है तो आप प्रोनाउन के और टाइप्स भी यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. देन कम्स टू योर रिप्रेजेंटेशन. While writing on the blackboard, pupil teacher tells the students a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, someone, who. Students listen carefully. The next one is, while writing on the blackboard, pupil teacher explain the students a personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. Each of the English personal pronoun shows us the grammatical, person, gender, number and case of the noun it replaces. Then third one is, pupil teacher explain the students possessive pronoun shows that something belongs to someone. The possessive pronoun are my, our, your, his, her, its and their. There is also an independent form of each of these pronouns: mine, ours, yours and his, hers, its and theirs. Then fourth one is, pupil teacher explain the students a relative pronoun is a pronoun that has an adjective clause. The relative pronouns are that, which, who, whom and whose. Fifth one is, pupil teacher explain the students reflexive pronouns are word like myself, yourself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves and themselves. They refer back to a person or thing. We often use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of a verb are the same. Then comes to a recapitalization, In this, you will have to ask some question related to the topic you taught to check whether students understood or not. Question first is, what is pronoun? Question second is, give some examples of relative pronoun. Then question number third is, how many types of pronoun? Then comes to your worksheet. Choose the proper pronoun for each sentence. First one is, yesterday Betty and Dash spent the day at the Museum of Art. इसके कुछ options हैं यहाँ पे, me, us and I. The second question is, Sheila brought the rock samples down to Dash. Options is I, them and she. Question number third is, Sia said the Dash and her sister were going to the movies. इसके ऑप्शंस है आई, them and she. फोर्थ है आपका, this is a toy, so I will put dash on the toy shelf. Options is they, it and them. Question fifth is, the book is mine, so please give it to dash. The options is they, you and me. Question number 6 is, Mrs. Farnworth choose dash to lead the class in today lesson. Options is us, I and she. Question number 7 is, please take this down to dash so she can use it. Options is he, it and her. If you want video on any topic, let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye. Question number first is, the discussion method is also called a dash method. The answer is option number third, Socratic method. Next question is, which of the following will serve as a most satisfying defense mechanism for the physically handicapped individual? Option number third, fantasy. Next question is, children appreciation tests were designed for children between ages 3 and 10. The cat card substitute. The answer is animals for people. Next question is, who said that a musician must make music, an artist must paint, a poet must write poetry if he is to be ultimately at peace with himself? The answer is option number third, Abraham Maslow. Next question is, which of the following is necessary for blood clotting in humans? The answer is option number second, vitamin K. The next question is, which of the following is related with progressive education? The answer is option number second, learners actively participate in problem solving. Next question is, नीचे लिखे वाक्य के लिए एक शब्द बताइए युद्ध की इच्छा रखने वाला. ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड, युयुत्सु. आकाश पताल के बीच लगने वाला यह चिन्ह है, इसको बोलते हैं योजक चिन्ह. ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड. नेक्स्ट है आपका, ए सेंचुरी इज नॉट इनफ इज एन autobiography of which famous cricketer? The answer is option number fourth, Saurav. Next है आपका, which is an extra constitutional body? The answer is option number second, Planning Commission. Next question is, who gets the credit for starting the progressive education? The answer is John Dewey. Option number second. Next question है आपका, which of the following plays an important role in mental growth and development? The answer is option number third, both learning and maturation.